Namaskar, Acharya Kalki Krishnan from astrodevam.com. Greetings of Sunny Jayanti. Today I am going to, on the occasion of Sunny Jayanti, inform, detail some exclusive remedies which no one told you. And implementing these remedies will open the doors of your destiny. But simultaneously, a lot of people will be aggrieved with me, many of astrologers will be aggrieved with me, and I will have to bear their brunt, their anger. And why I am saying this, you will come to know just after listening this small video. Many astrologers will advise you to visit Sunny Temple and pour a lot of oil on a idol or statue ascribed to Lord Saturn. But emphatically I want to say that in none of the scriptures such remedy has been prescribed. I have a big library. I can see that thousands of books are there. I can see them. जो है जातक तत्वम, जातक पारिजातम, जातका भडम, जातक दीपिका, काजिक नीलकंठी, वृद्ध एवं जातकम, बृहद पाराशर होरा सास फल दीपिका. A lot of books are there. All written by the great learned scholars, seers. But in none of the book this practice has been written. I don't know how it started. This foolish thing. All these years, all the rishis have written the specific characteristics of Sunny, and you should understand the reason, and then you should implement these remedies what I am going to tell you. They have informed the characteristics of Saturn. Saturn is aged. Well, take care of your aged person, take care of your elders if you want to get blessings of Saturn. Saturn is handicapped, he cannot move freely. Take care of handicapped person. Saturn is deformed. Saturn is not beautiful. Do not assess any person on the basis of his or her features. If you are going to assess any person on the basis of his or her features, you will get curse of Lord Saturn, I tell you immediately. Saturn is the most disciplined graha. So if you break discipline, curse of Saturn will be upon you. And if you are disciplined, you will get blessings of Saturn. Saturn indicates transgenders. Napunsaka. As it is said in Sanskrit, Napunsaka. So, assess the transgenders on the basis of their other characteristics. Do not categorize them just due to some preconceived notions if you want to get blessings of Saturn. Saturn indicates laborers, your working class. Take care of working class if you want to get blessings of Saturn. Take care of working class. Depressed class, Saturn. After 1 or 2 months, the rainy season will start in India, and Saturn remains in the dirty places where you throw your garbage. Take care of places where you have thrown your garbage, because a lot of problems will come out. And many rishis have written that Saturn indicates oil, Saturn indicates coal, Saturn indicates leather. But what is the intent behind that? What is the intent behind that? Just understand. Saturn is very laborious. How you get the oil? You will have to crush the oil seed. How you get the petrol? You have to dig the earth. How you get the coal? You have to dig the earth. How you get the leather? You have to clean the hide. So, what Saturn gives message that if you want to get anything, you will have to do extraneous efforts. Extreme efforts will give you the success. It is the message of Saturn. If you want to go at shallow level, nothing you will get. That is the message. This is not the message of Saturn that you should take some oil and go and pour on some idol, Saturn idol. This is the most foolish thing you can do in the name of Saturn. Please remember me. You will go into queues of the person who are going to temple again and again, every Saturday, pouring a lot of oil, and after years they will get nothing. Unless until their dasa changes in their horoscope. So understand the intent of our seers, why they said that Saturn indicates oil, Saturn indicates iron, Saturn indicates coal, Saturn indicates leather. Today you are pouring oil, tomorrow you will throw leather. What will happen? And what remedies I told you, they are going to work. I assure you, I claim you with it, that all these remedies are going to work and ensure the blessings of Lord Saturn. Just do them for 90 days only and come back to me. You will see the change. Again, I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from astrodevam.com. Do this. Thank you.